Come on. Excuse you. You don't want to eat it? No. You'd rather be in my yard, huh? Is that it? You'd rather be in my yard and eat, huh? I'm sorry. Look at you. Here.